Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the sixth video in a series of videos related to the understanding of number lines, and we can use number lines to compare and order fractions. Right here, we have three number lines in denominations of ninths, fifths, and thirds. And what would be a good rule of thumb is when we compare fractions on a number line is that we make the number lines the same. And in this case, if we use the least common multiple of 45, 45 would lend itself well to ninths, fifths, and thirds, which will make these number lines the same size. All right, and so what we're going to do, we're going to compare and order the fractions of 2/5, 1/3, 4/9, and 2/3. And so let's start with 2/5 and see where it belongs in the pecking order of things as far as being from least or to greatest, or if it's somewhere in the middle. So we're going to look at 2/3, or I should say 2/5. Why did I say 2/3? Let me go back and repeat that again. 2/5, and we're going to look at 2/5, and we'll see that 2/5 is actually greater than 1/3. So we know we're going to put 1/3 in front of 2/5 whenever we put these fractions in order from least to greatest. And so then there's what we have right here. That's why we have it right here like this. And that 1/3 is less than 2/5. 1/3 right here, as you can see, is less than 2/5. And then we have two taken care of right here. So let's take a look at 4/9 in comparison to the previous two fractions of 2/5 and 1/3. And we see that 4/9 is actually larger than 2/5. So we have them in order from right here, from 1/3 to 2/5 to 4/9, and there you have it right there, 1/3, 2/5, 4/9. And finally, if we take a look at 2/3, and it's kind of deceiving because we have two small numbers, but the pieces are large. That's all it's saying is that when you have like a smaller looking fraction like 2/3, it's just telling you that the pieces are bigger. And so if you compare 2/3 to 6/9, you see that they are exactly the same right here. And we can see that, of course, 6/9 is larger than 4/9, which is the same as 2/3. And 2/3 is actually, in this case, our largest fraction when we order these fractions from least to greatest. All right, you have been given a lot of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video and take a look at everything or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to compare and order fractions on number lines. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.